Since its founding, MoMA has embraced live arts and the moving image. The Kravis studio is a new space in the heart of the collection galleries. It is dedicated to performance, dance, music, sound, spoken word, and more. The studio will provide a very intimate and focused experience with art. So the artist will have this opportunity to be responsive to the collection as well, to make new work, to create work that are really responsive to major social or cultural issues, but also new commissions, festivals, concerts, and residencies. It is a place where art comes to life in new and inspiring ways.